What up, guys? We're gonna get some grocery store here on Little Haiti. So let's go. All right, so we gotta get some corn for the business. Let's go. Oh, they're so small this time. But anyways, we need them, so let's get them. I'm gonna take about 5. So go. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. Alright, now we got that. Let's get some cucumbers. Okay, cucumbers are on this side. Alright guys, so we just got some cucumbers and some corn for the business that we're going to work today. It's going to be a food truck in the design district of Miami. Alright guys, we just paid up. We're about to leave this place, so I'll see you guys over there. Algo para YouTube, mi hermano.
Coño, fino.
Estamos aquí representando de Venezuela y Colombia. Aquí un food truck in Miami Design District, papá. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you a little bit of the walkthrough of our food truck that we both work here on this heat. So this is going to be a 14-inch food truck by 10 feet high. Right here we're going to have the low boy. This is going to be the sushi low boy. We have the sushi rice maker, the white rice maker, our tempuras. Here it's going to be all our preparation for our sushi rolls and poke bowls, some fresh salmon, some fresh tuna. This is going to be our dish area of cleaning. Our freezer. Okay, this is gonna be our 2-burner stove, a grill, and a deep fryer. Okay, oh, check this guys out. He's making the tempura flakes. Look at that gold for the sushi roll. You already know, guys. Yo guys, so we're back here in Yoso Sushi food truck on the Miami Design District. So today we're gonna be showing you guys how we work a little bit here in the Design District on this extreme weather. Here in Miami it's really hot, and then we have like burners, fryers, grills, everything, so it makes it a little bit more hotter than usual. But I'm gonna give you a walk around of the place, so come check it out with me. So right here we have the boba tea. You get some boba tea here in the Design District. Let me see. Yoso boba tea. So right here we have the Yoso Sushi food truck. This is where we're gonna be working today. It's a pretty chill spot. People come here for their lunch, they get food, they sit down. ¿Qué le pareció la comida?
Excelente.
¿Sí?
Excelente.
¿Todo rico, fresco?
Perfecto.
Sí. Nosotros traemos los pescados todos los días. Como es un lugar pequeñito, las neveras son pequeñas.
No,
Sí.
estoy, pero mira, maravillada.
Sí.
Podría comer eso todos los días.
Gracias, muy amable. All right, guys. So you heard it from one of the customers. She loved the food that we provided her. So yeah. So this is the red Solo cup here in the Design District. Everybody comes up on it and they take pictures. You can jump on it. But yeah, come check it out. Look at that. It's pretty big. It's huge. All right. Let's keep walking. Let's get some coffee at my favorite place. It's called OTL here in Design District. So let's go. Let's check for the cars. We're good. Any type of work, I always like to get my coffee on. With no coffee, I do not work. That's my motto. Let's go. We have Zadok and Volter here. Pretty expensive stores here. This place is like one of the most luxury place in Miami. Like I think it's one of the most luxury, and then it's Bear Harbor, but they both compete. Check this monkey out, guys. This thing is huge. Wow, let me see if I could get a better. Alright, let's continue to our coffee destination. So let's go. So let's continue. Boom, boom, boom. You have the valet parking here. You bring your car, is $5. So if you come to the design district, it's a lot cheaper if you actually get the valet parking instead of paying the street parking. So yeah, so we have over here, what is this, super expensive stores, Christian, Louis Vuitton, and Dior's over there. But anyways, oh guys, it's a pretty cool spot. This is my favorite coffee shop. My boys are here. Alright guys, I'm gonna take my coffee and I'll see you guys outside. It's beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna get my coffee, so stay with me. Alright guys, so I got my coffee from the best coffee place, OTL. Let's go. Maybe a little later, once I have a break, we can walk through the stores and check them out. But yeah, got my cafecito. Cafecito's ready. I'm ready. You know what I'm saying? Wow, this is a really good coffee. All right, guys, let's walk back with me. Bing, bing, bing. Walking in Miami with a little cafecito. So you asked me why I'm drinking coffee and it's hot in Miami. Plus you're working on a food truck where there's fire, stoves, grills, and deep fryer. That doesn't make sense. But I'm gonna tell you, what makes sense is the love for me for the cafecito, guys. So let's continue. People are here just vibing, man. Check this out. The cool park to be. And then this where we're gonna be at. Alright guys, we're gonna make a sunset roll for one of the customers. So gloves on, check. Check. Let's go. Un sunset, hermano. We got the nori perfectly. It's about 50 grams of sushi rice. We're gonna spread it evenly, but not so hard that it's gonna ruin the rice. You don't want the greens to break. It starts to get mushy. Our maki soup, we're gonna flip it. Okay, we're gonna add some avocado, some avocado. We're gonna peel it all. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Some salmon. Boom. Salmon. Let's get a little bit of tuna, which has already been scraped. And it's ready to put it in this masterpiece. Look at that, guys. Hope you guys are not hungry. So you're watching this, it's gonna be really big for you guys. We got a scallion beautifully cut, and it's time to roll it. Okay, 1 roll, 2 rolls. Cool. Cut it in half. Then cut it in half one more time. One more cut. And another cut. Clean the cutting board. Get a plate. Open it. Sí. Solo no estamos con Dios. Here you go, guys. And then you have that beautiful sunset roll. awesome, guys. There you go. Wow. This is pretty good. Really good. Well, guys, if you like this video of how I work on a daily basis here in the design district on a food truck, leave a comment what you like the most, what didn't you like about it, and subscribe if you like. So we see you the next time, guys. Ciao.